Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to everyone. Today is the day of salvation. What we're gonna do today, we go to different places to share the love of Jesus.
Amen. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita, Panginoon.
Malok na malok.
Ay sa papalit, pagkat piling mo'y
Copyright na naman yan.
mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
Wala akong hindi nakaka-copyright na ano eh.
Mahal kita,
Panginoon. Okay, next you.
Ano plano natin kay ano na to?
Jail.
Ano mo, tatlo. Ikaw,
Magtutuli, sabi mo.
magtutuli. 10 to 2.
Ken, tutuli.
Late lunch on tatlo.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay na, okay na. Okay, isang for Jesus dyan.
Kamusta ka naman ate?
Okay lang po.
Kamusta ang pagiging nanay dito sa Taytay?
Sakit sa ulo. Kakayanin.
108.
I want to experience it myself. Can you also do that to me?
Okay.
Yeah. BP please.
Kuya wants to experience.
I'm here to experience being BP by Kuya Daniel.
Nakikinig ako.
Joke lang. I believe Kuya Daniel will be my forever friend because he did this to me. Is it normal?
130, 100.
Oo.
One?
130 and 100.
130 over 100.
Is that normal? Still?
It's normal, yeah.
Or it's almost not normal?
Yeah. In the medical term, it is first degree, but it is
Okay.
good pa rin.
Okay.
So you need to drink more water.
Water?
So that your quality will be going down.
Okay.
Less salty, less
Less
sweet.
salt.
Yeah.
Do more exercise maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
No
you.
smoking, no drinking.
Don't
Good.
Even birds do drink.
Ilang araw na siya? 1 week na ba? Ang Repsol? Isang gabi po, nabili mo ng bitch yung paatas. Wala nang yung halag na ano po ang pwede natin gawin sa bahay para ma-treat natin na mas maaga o mayroon tayong gagawin para dito?
Kailangan malinis kami ang aming katawan. Gayon yung sa health. Sa check. Yung ibig sabihin ng check, yung kalinisan natin sa katawan para maiwasan magkasakit.